Hi, my name is Dan from ST2, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to install one of our systems in your home. Whilst the ST2 installation is straightforward enough for your average handy person, we do recommend professional installation by one of our certified licensed plumbers that are trained in ST2 installation. If you didn't select this option during checkout but have now decided that you'd like to, simply go to st2.com.au and purchase this from our shop page. This video is a brief guide and not intended to replace the detailed steps set out in the installation and operation manual. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to be installing an ST2 tap as we're replacing the existing tap. The ST2 kit contains everything for a standard installation in most scenarios. Now that we've checked we have all the required components, we're going to fit our ST2 tap into the hole along with the hoses and connectors. From underneath, we can now fasten the tap by fitting the silicone shim, then the metal shim, followed by the C-type nut. Tighten the nut enough to stop the tap from moving during normal operation. Next, we can fasten our hot water hose to the hot water outlet. Now we fasten our three-way valve to the cold water outlet and our cold water hose to the three-way valve. Now, using the length of 1/4 inch tube, we'll connect the outlet from the three-way valve to the inlet of our pressure limiting valve and another length of 1/4 inch tube from the outlet of the pressure limiting valve to the water inlet on our STM1 machine. We can now connect the wiring loom and using another length of 1/4 inch tube, connect the outlet of the STM1 unit to the tap using the provided push-in fitting. That's all the water connections done. Now we're going to connect our CO2 bottle. We are using a 0.9 kilo version here, available from our website or your local home brew store, but a regular soda stream type bottle can also be used instead. Ensure that the red lever on the regulator is in the off position and screw it onto the bottle outlet. Don't over tighten it, about hand tight plus an extra 1/4 turn should be adequate. Next, using another length of 1/4 inch tube, connect the outlet of the CO2 regulator to the CO2 in port of the STM1 unit. Now we can plug our power cord into the outlet. That's the STM1 unit installed with our ST2 tap and all of the required connections done. All that's left to do now is to commission the unit. We do this by firstly turning on the water supply at the outlet and the three-way valve. Check for obvious leaks. Switch on the power point and our tap lights should illuminate. Now we're going to flush the filters by dispensing cold water followed by ambient water for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the water flows clear, and then turn on the cold switch on the back of the STM1 unit. Now we're going to commission the soda water feature. Firstly, we'll open the CO2 bottle valve and set the pressure to around 3 bar. Slowly turn on the red regulator valve. Shut off the water supply using the three-way valve and turn the selector knob on the ST2 tap to the soda water icon. This will purge air from the system. Turn the water supply back on. Turn the soda switch on the rear of the STM1 unit to the on position and turn the selector knob on the soda water icon once again to purge the system. Now we're just going to wait a couple of minutes and then turn the selector knob to the soda water icon again to purge the system once more. Whilst waiting, it's good practice to spray some soapy water on all of the CO2 connections and look for bubbles, which indicate a leak. Also recheck all of the water connections aren't leaking. That's the installation and commissioning complete. Please be aware that the system can take several hours before full carbonation and desired temperature can be reached.